Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you another two basic examples of using the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. And so starting with part A, we've got 2x squared minus 13x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now whenever you need to use the quadratic formula, it's always best to start with writing down its formula. We know that the formula is going to be x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. The value of a is going to be the coefficient of the x squared term. The value of b is going to be the coefficient of the x term. And the value of c is the constant. And so for part A, the value of a is going to be 2, the value of b is going to be minus 13, and the value of c is going to be minus 24. From here, what we need to do is sub in these values into the formula and then simplify it and then solve for x. And so subbing this into the formula, we're going to get x is equal to minus b, so this will be minus 13 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so this will be minus 13 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 2, and then times c, which is minus 24, all over 2 times a, so this will be 2 times 2. Cleaning this up, this is going to be positive 13 plus or minus the square root of minus 13 squared is going to be 169, and then minus 4 times 2 times minus 24 is going to be plus or positive 192, all over 2 times 2, which is going to be 4. Simplifying this, this is going to be 13 plus or minus the square root of 169 plus 192 is 361, and then divide by 4. The square root of 361 is 19, and so this is going to be 13 plus or minus 19 divided by 4. And so therefore, x is going to equal 13 plus 19 divided by 4. 13 plus 19 is going to be 32. 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. And so x is going to equal 8. Or the other solution we're going to have, x is going to be 13 minus 19 divided by 4. 13 minus 19 is going to be minus 6. And so this is going to be minus 6 on 4. Simplifying this, this is going to be 3 and 2. And so this is going to be minus 3 on 2. And so the two solutions for part A is going to be x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 3 on 2. Part B, we've got minus 4x squared plus 13x minus 3 is equal to 0. And so the value of a is going to be minus 4. The value of b is going to be 13, and the value of c is going to be minus 3. And so from here, we sub in these values into the quadratic formula and then solve for x. And so x is going to be minus 13 plus or minus the square root of b squared, so this will be 13 squared, minus 4 times a, which is going to be 4 times minus 4, and then times c, which is going to be minus 3, all over 2 times a, which is 2 times minus 4. Cleaning this up, this is going to be minus 13 plus or minus the square root of 13 squared, which is 169, and then minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 3 is going to be minus 48. This is going to be all over 2 times minus 4, which is minus 8. And so simplifying this, this will be minus 13 plus or minus the square root of 121 divided by minus 8. The square root of 121 is 11, and so we're going to get minus 13 plus or minus 11 divided by minus 8. And so therefore, our solutions are going to be x is equal to minus 13 plus 11 divided by minus 8. Minus 13 plus 11 is minus 2, and so this will be minus 2 over minus 8. The two negatives will cancel out, and this will be a 1, and this will become a 4. And so x is going to equal 1 on 4. Or the other solution we're going to have, x is going to equal minus 13 minus 11 divided by minus 8. Minus 13 minus 11 is equal to minus 24, and this will be over minus 8. And so this is going to become positive 3. And so the two solutions for part B is going to be when x is equal to 1 on 4 and when x is equal to 3. And that's it for these two questions. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up or comment below and let me know. Good luck with your studies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.